Hi, Unbox Nowhere. Here we have the Megan 2.0 on 4K Steelbook. It says it has the theatrical version and the uncut version. Yeah, the uncut version is 1 minute longer than the theatrical, and that is 120 minutes, 2 hours. Both discs has Dolby Atmos and there's Dolby Vision on the 4K disc. Aspect ratio is 239. So let's take a look inside. Tape here. There we go. Some glue left. Very nice Steelbook. Matte finish. Spine. Back sides. We got some disc art. That's the 4K disc, and that's triple layer, 100 gig. Blu-ray disc looks just kind of same, and that's a 50 gig Blu-ray disc. Inside art, the whole thing. Yes, Megan 2.0, 2.0 on 4K Steelbook. If you're into collecting, please subscribe. And if you find it interesting, the video, please give it a like. So over 90% of my viewers don't subscribe, so please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.